How we doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. As the title suggests, we're going out to a private stretch of closed roads to give the Turbo LS a bit of a rip and get some exhaust clips and some flyby clips, and because this thing sounds insane at wide open throttle outside the car. So I don't think I've actually got any clips like that for you guys before. So we're going to be going to do that today. I'm going to go and get some fuel first, and then we'll head straight out. And, I need to get a haircut. I've been too lazy to go and do it. That and the whole pandemic thing. So yeah, I'll on the way we'll have a chat. I'll update you on a couple of things. Some of the white line stuff, and then update you guys on what else. I got my creator code, so it's like the sponsor code that I give you guys for discounts for white line. What else? The sway bars are fitted, and yeah, just a general car update, and then we'll get into some sick clips. So I've been thinking about the whole car meme review sort of thing. I think the easiest way to do that is going to be you guys submit your memes to Instagram with the hashtag Aussie Auto. And once a week what I'll do is I'll go on Instagram, I'll search that hashtag Aussie Auto, and I'll compile all of them, or my favorites, depending on how many I've submitted, I guess. I'll put them all in one video and review your memes. And I'm a bit of a meme aficionado. I do love a good chuckle at a good solid meme. So try not to make them too political. I know there's a lot of shit going on at the moment. I'm not very politically inclined. I have my opinions, but I don't bring them up. So try and keep them to cars and car related and all that fun stuff. Now, as for the sway bar install video, I had that fully filmed on my phone because I lost my GoPro for a little bit there. And when I tried to back up my phone to the Google Photos server, I lost them. I don't know where they went. When I went to go back into the Google server, I logged in. Everything I had tried to back up and then delete off my phone so I have more memory on my phone wasn't there. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I've messed it up at some point halfway through. I cancelled it and didn't do it, but I lost that footage basically. And so I'll put in here a couple of other clips after the install, having a look at how it's fitted, the fitment of it, any little tips and tricks to get the parts in there to suit this chassis. It might work for other models as well, so check that out now. Let's get her in the air. Done and lock. Alright, can't wait to speed that clip up. Let us have a look. So the car's not set max hardness just because I don't want to understeer. I don't want it to push across the front. That always lands you in the gutter and it's no fun, especially with shitty Achilles tires. They're not the greatest, but chuck them on anyway. So it's all dirty. Just done late last night. Can't be bothered bloody cleaning it down. I'll get to it eventually. So she's all all fitted up. It fits really nice. Everything fits really good. I've got a the turbo oil drain fits through there. It's kind of close, but of course that's aftermarket, so that's my problem, not White Line's. I'm super stoked they've come on board and hooked us up with this kit. That's awesome. All right, let's run down to the back. So the back, we've got new bushes in the links. Oh, sorry, I didn't even mention in the front. In the front we have new sway bar link pins entirely. In the rear you use your stock ones. They just give you some sweet new bushes for it. Little sway bar up in there. It fits above on the upside of your cross member, so it can be a bit of a pain to fit it. But yeah, there's the other one there. Other link pin, if it'll focus, maybe. There you go. So yeah, sweet new bushes in that. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. I'm bloody spewing. I lost the footage. I had a time lapse of removing the front, putting it back together, and then removing the rear and putting it back together. Was hoping it was going to be a really cool clip, and I don't know what happened. Hopefully that was helpful, or at least a little bit entertaining. I was really spewing about losing that footage. I felt like I made it, like I produced some really good content, and yeah, that went down the shitter pretty quick. So next thing on my little update agenda, we've got, I wrote another list of memory like a sieve, bit of a goldfish, and I have to write things down, otherwise I won't get out what I need to say, and then you guys will never know. There we go. White Line. So the guys at White Line have finally got the sponsor codes out there. So my sponsor code is WL3007. I'm working with them at the moment to change that to Aussie Auto, so it's a lot easier. But if you want to score $20 Australian, US, 20 quid if you're over in England, in the UK. If you want to score 20 bucks off of your first order or $150 or more, drop that code in the discount section when you're checking out, and it'll automatically be taken off your total. Another thing I've been up to in this little hiatus I've had since I posted last, I actually put a full system in the car too, full stereo system that is. So I've got kicker components in the front doors, I've got kicker 2-ways in the back doors, and then I've got 3-ways 6x9s in the parcel shelf. I'm not quite finished that yet. I'm going to amp those with a high-low converter so I don't have to run all the bloody RCAs and wiring up to the front. Just makes it simpler and cleaner, because I got the battery in the boot I can just run power cables straight to that. Very easy. I'm going to actually mount the 6x9s in a box, then bolt the box up to the underside of the parcel tray so it projects the sound into the car. What's happening at the moment is it's just because the boot is so open and there's nothing in there other than a battery and a fuel pump, all the sound is really getting sucked into the boot, and then you just don't get anything come through the back. So it's kind of defeats the purpose of having them, really. So I'll put a box on them, try and direct the sound into the car, and then play with the tuning on the amp itself to get them to sound right. So I don't really want to put a sub in the boot. I'm not really about that anymore. When I was a kid of 17, 18, 19, man, I had the system. Like it was proper 2000 sec spec. Like I had subs wall to wall in the boot, double door speakers and shit. Like I'm not about that anymore. It's more about making the car look nice and go fast, and that's where I like to spend my money. But yeah, we're pretty close to our little private off-road section. We'll check back in when we get there. GoPro froze. So I don't know if you guys got those last clips, or if it was cutting out my outro. So I'll find out in editing. But yeah, if you guys like the video, leave that thumbs up and comment down below what you think. What do you reckon of the car? She's I think she's a bit of a good thing. So subscribe if you're not, dudes. I've been super stoked on how many subs I've been getting. Like, it's for a channel of my size, it's huge, and it's really getting me into the feel of